Hello, so today we will be looking at an ELA opinion paragraphs slideshow. On our table of contents, we have what is an opinion paragraph, how do we write one, an example, practice what you've learned, and an exit ticket. This is geared towards younger children to help them learn how to read and write and comprehend opinion paragraphs. Number one, what is an opinion paragraph? This is a type of writing that introduces your feelings and opinions, has a clearly stated opinion, clearly stated reasoning to support that opinion, and has a conclusion that restates the opinion. So we delve into some topic-appropriate definitions, such as the introduction, opinion, reasoning, examples, and conclusion. This is beneficial for students who might not understand the content at hand and might need a little bit of help reaching this standard. So we delve into how do we write one. We give students the Oreo paragraph writing method, which is opinion, reasoning, evidence, and opinion restated, which is like an Oreo cookie. So these paragraphs will be 3 to 5 sentences in length, which is fun for the students. And then we give students an example of an opinion paragraph, what we would like students to produce at the end of the class period, and we highlight the opinion, reasoning, evidence, and opinion restated as different colors, which allows students to kind of understand the difference a little bit more easily. And then we do a little bit of a practice time, helping students identify the opinion statements and compare them to facts. They're able to check their answers on the next slide. They can compare their answers to a table mate or a friend and see how well they did. And then at the end of the class period, after the lesson is over, they're able to quiz themselves. This QR code leads to a quizzes, and there's about 10 questions on that one. Afterwards, there's an exit ticket, a would you rather go camping or stay in a fancy hotel. This will allow students to write a 3 to 5 sentence opinion paragraph on an index card, and it reminds them of what they've learned throughout the class period. So this is what we've learned today. Thank you.